How to factory reset your Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can reset your Windows device. But before that, if you're new to App Hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. First of all, head over to your settings. After you open up your settings, you will see System. Tap on System and go to the System settings. Now under System settings, if you scroll down, you will see the Recovery option. Tap on Recovery. Now after you've navigated to System and Recovery, you will then need to scroll down till you find Reset this PC option. Now it's under Recovery options. So after you find that, you will see the Reset PC option. Simply tap on Reset PC. After you tap on it, you will see two options. One is to keep your files, the other is to remove everything. Now if you tap on Remove Everything and move on with that, your device will factory reset, and after you've resetted it, it will open up as a brand new laptop. So yeah, that is basically how you do it guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.